Uncle Johnny's Poetry Corner. Parrot for Sale. From No Title Yet and Other Poems by Jonathan Perlman.
Hello and welcome back to another episode of Uncle Johnny's Poetry Corner. Today we're going to share with you a poem called Parrot for Sale. I have a very special guest that's going to help us out with this poem. This is Mr. Penguin. Unfortunately, Mr. Parrot was unable to make it last minute, so Mr. Penguin has graciously volunteered to take his place. Thank you very much, Mr. Penguin. I have a parrot named Pete.
What? I have a parrot named Pete.
Whatever I say, he'll repeat.
Whatever I say, he'll repeat.
He looked so cute at the shop,
He looked so cute at the shop,
but he'd squawk and squawk non-stop.
but he'd squawk and squawk nonstop.
Oh, Pete, I thought you'd be great,
Oh, Pete, I thought you'd be great,
but now you just irritate.
but now you just irritate.
So shut your beak and be quiet.
So shut your beak and be quiet.
Oh, why did I buy it?
Why did I buy it?
Pete, stop copying me, please.
Pete, stop copying me, please.
I'm begging from down on my knees.
Begging from down on my knees.
When will this chatter curtail?
When will this chatter curtail?
I have a parrot for sale.
Squawk, I have a parrot for sale.
Wow, that was amazing! If you enjoyed that, then you will absolutely love this brand new, fantastic collection of poems and delightful drawings, No Title Yet, and Other Poems by Jonathan Perlman. Available at smilingcloud.org and wherever books are sold online.
Thank you for watching. See you next time at Uncle Johnny's Poetry Corner.